How many times have you tried to run an application and you got this message which says address already in use? When it happens, what some people do is that they kind of try randomly to kill some processes. For example, they just type different processes randomly to kill. However, the best thing is to use the tool I'm going to show you now, which kind of shows you exactly what process or what port number is, or what is using what port number, so that you just kill it right away. So the command I'm talking about is this. So the port number we are trying to access is 3000. So let us run this. Once we run it, we can see the command. We can see what is actually using that very process. We can see the process ID, the username, and so on and so forth. So this I tells this command to look at the network connections. And here we can see exactly what port number or what processes that is in question. So now, in this case, what we could do, we could kill the process ID. Let me copy this and paste it there. Let us run this. So now, let us go back and run our command again. Here you can see we've been able to access the process or to run the port number without any issues. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to the channel, to like and to share? Thank you.